Zara McDermott was in floods of tears at the airport after being forced to wait for hours on end amid the current delay crisis. The former Love Island star, 26, took to Instagram on Thursday to complain about the current crisis after she was left stranded amid weeks of chaos across European airports, with thousands of holidaymakers facing delays, queues and cancellations. The reality TV star sobbed on her stories while sitting on the floor of the airport as she wiped the tears from her face. Zara told her followers that she was incredibly stressed over the situation, as were thousands of other travelers who also found themselves in the same position as the BBC Three presenter. Her airport dilemma comes after Zara sent fans into a frenzy after posting baby scan photos and a positive pregnancy test. But the reality star quickly added another story to her Instagram telling followers that she wasn't pregnant, explaining the baby update belonged to someone else. In the snap of the ultrasounds, the 25-year-old she wrote, "Our very own love in the flesh baby," with a crying emoji. Sharing a video, she said, "FYI guys, I am not pregnant, I just didn't want to reveal who from the show is pregnant, in case anyone hasn't watched it yet. But yes, we have our first love in the flesh baby." Zara shot to fame after featuring on Love Island back in 2018. She fell head over heels for Adam Collard on the show, and the pair moved in together after leaving the island. But they split 8 months later, and she then moved on with Made in Chelsea's Sam Thompson, and appeared on the show with him. Since then, Zara has launched a career in documentary making, including one where she spoke about her experiences of revenge porn. This then led to her landing the presenting role on BBC's Love in the Flesh, a new dating show about online dating. The show, similar to MTV's Catfish, where people develop a connection over the internet but haven't met before.